Okay, what's up guys, it's Cody with 3D Printing and Technology. So this video is going to be kind of different from our typical videos. We've seen a lot of 3D printer ads going around for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, maybe even for Christmas. It could be an Ender 3, a CR10. Those are the two main ones that we've seen. But the main purpose of this video is if you see a 3D printer that's $30 or $25 or somewhere in that price range, it's a scam. Most of these that we've seen are going around on Facebook, maybe a few on Instagram. A good rule of thumb is if you see a 3D printer on sale and it's cheaper than an used Mod T or an A8, I think, a net kit, it's probably a scam. And we do this from personal experience. We saw a Ender 3 going for $30 on Facebook, so we thought we'd try it out because it's only $30. The ad sponsor was one account, and then you clicked on it and went to a different Shopify account, and then they charged you $25 for shipping, so it looks legit. But in a couple of days, the website was taken down, and so it was obviously a fake. So if you're looking to buy 3D printer on sale, make sure it's from a reputable 3D printer manufacturer, or from like Amazon or eBay, something that's a reliable online store. Don't just buy it from a random Facebook ad or sale you've seen online. But we're going to see if we can get the money back, but that looks doubtful. So that's just a good rule of thumb. Just make sure you're aware of what you're buying and who it is from, because there are scams going around this holiday season. So that was the main purpose of this video. Hope you liked it. So it looks like most of the ads have been taken down, so I can't already put up any pictures. But here's a picture of the website now. It's obviously been taken down, but it's a fake shop. Well, it was a Shopify website, but it was a scam, so it's taken down already. So if you like this video and want to see the latest videos first, make sure you click subscribe. Let's see if we can get to 1,000 subscribers this year. But anyways, make sure if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time.